Hi guys, it's Gavin on YouTube. Here it is. I finally got a copy on Blu-ray, Wallace and Gromit, The Curse of the Were Rabbit, and I'm so glad that it's come today. Really can't wait to watch it. I'm gonna actually do an unboxing, so keep an eye out, guys. I'm gonna do an unboxing in about 2 secs. So I'm just gonna turn it around so you can see the back. Here it is. As you can see, it's a American, and you won't believe it plays in 3 regions. It's supposed to be USA region A, but it's 3 regions, so I'm pleased about that. Spine. There's gromit. I don't know if it's the same picture on the side. Yeah, same as a gromit on the side. It's got the new logo of DreamWorks, as you can see. Right, let's take the snip off. Oops, sorry. Just need to find something that's very sharp, so I might have to use my headphones. Sorry guys. Just put my camera down for a minute because I need to find something sharp. I know what I can use. My key. Done it now. Here's the disc, and then guess what colour it is? Purple. It's in purple. Oh wow. Not sure it's purple blue, but it looks purple to me. Really can't wait to watch this. I like Nip Park films, they're my favourite. This is actually a very good that they're all coming on Blu-ray, but I'm not sure it will come to UK, but if it does, I'll be buying it on the USA copy. This is a USA copy, and hoping it come out in the UK, because with this one you can play it anywhere. So that is the Wallace and Gromit Curse of the Were Rabbit Blu-ray. Can't wait to watch it in HD. So there's Wallace, Were Rabbit, and Gromit. Alright, thank you for watching, guys. Any questions, leave me a comment below. Thank you.